Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove iOS 26 beta from your iPhone without a computer. So guys, if you want to remove iOS 26 developer beta from your iPhone without a computer, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and go to screen time, and now scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions, and from here turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here if it is on. So guys, simply turn it off and now go back and now open settings again and go to general and then go to software update and tap on automatic updates and turn off the toggle for automatically install from here. So guys, simply turn it off, and after this go back and tap on beta updates, and from here check this to off. So guys, if it is on iOS 26 developer beta, simply tap on off button and after this turn it off. So guys, simply do this, and after this go back and now go to the iPhone software update again and now refresh the page and then go back and now scroll it below and now tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings of your device for one time, and after this go back and now tap on erase all content and settings, and from here you have to tap on continue and erase all content and settings from your iPhone. So guys, simply do this, and after this your iPhone will be downgraded to iOS 18. So guys, in this way you can also remove iOS 26 developer beta from your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.